You guys, I know what dogs were recording at sixteen. So important.
Glue trap!
Can someone please?
Everyone, get a glue trap!
For me, it's important. Well, that is my joystick drift is basically gone. That's how I did it, gang. Right? Okay, here's how to drift on this one, right? You know, I put it like up like this and I can blew in each thing. Like the corners, like the of the joystick, the little crevice, just blow into it, right? And now, after I did that, it's not guaranteed to work. Depends how you do it, right? Oh, device controllers, right? Okay, my joystick used to be terrible. Look at this. Look.
I found the
Look at
ultimate way to
that.
get around.
Look at that.
Whoever closed that door and made me get stuck in the dirt, I hate
Oh,
you.
snap now. How do you snap? I thought doing this.
Bro, open the door. Anybody
Somebody
have a
snaps
fan?
and then you can.
I got him.
Oh, monster.
It's
Oh, I was over this one. This was a monster.
Come here. You can't come here.
I just wanted to share because I had stick drift for like a while now. It's hard to get jump scared game. Yeah, bro, you get killed. You want to be killed game. So I just wanted to say that.